To create an email campaign within Outreach, first select your event. Once inside the event dashboard, click on Email Campaigns from the left-hand menu. To create a new email campaign, click on the green Start Campaign button on the right of your screen. From here, access your existing email templates or create a new one. When creating a new email template, first give it a name for internal reference. Then, provide a subject line visible to your email recipients. Then start building the body of your email either by typing your text or pasting an HTML template into the field below. Insert automatic personalizations by clicking here. Then select the detail you wish to personalize, such as the candidate's first name. This detail will be specific to each recipient based on their registration data. You can also tailor details such as the event city to make your message reusable for audiences in multiple locations. When you complete your message, click on Next Step to select the appropriate audience. Your options include all registrations, event attendees, connections, etc. Alternatively, you can choose from a previously saved set of search parameters, or you can create a new set of search parameters by adding specific filters. This is a great feature if you want to target your message to a narrower audience. For purposes of our demonstration, we are going to select all registrations, then click Next Step to schedule the send date and time. Use the drop-down menus to select the send date and time. To make it easy, your options are listed in terms of days before or after the event takes place. Make note that all hours default to Greenwich Mean Time. Select the sender's email address as you'd like it to appear to recipients. This will also be where replies are sent. Before you submit, you can choose the markets where you'd like to reuse this email template. Then click on Next Step and review the campaign details before submitting. Lastly, click Submit to activate the campaign, and Outreach will send the message automatically.